Hey guys, it's me Speed Project, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I'll be reviewing them. So yeah, let's just get to it. First of all, I'll show you the tin. It says Yu-Gi-Oh. Then Yu-Gi-Oh here, Yu-Gi-Oh. And it has Yugi, and Kaiba, and I forgot his name. So yeah, I'll show you my cards. First we have Slifer the Sky Dragon, Ryu Kishin, Dark Titan of Terror, Elemental Hero Avian, Lackluster Soldier, Goku, I think that says, Riscorpio, Delta the Magnet Warrior, Ryukushin Powered, Soul Absorbing Bone Tower, Judgeman, Luster Dragon, Grand Ram, yeah, Wall of Illusion, Terror the Terrible, Mystic Horseman, Water D, Trap Hole, Wind Witch Winterville, Battle Ox, Rude Kaiser, Ancient Gearbox. You probably saw my mum walk past, but yeah. Reinforcements, Unknown Warrior Fiend, Horn of Light, Okamadua, Ultimate Offering, Ceasefire, Castle Walls, The Inexperienced Spy, Light Ray Madua, Block Attack, Ritual Cage, I think that's how you say it, Ritual Cage, Swamp Battle Guard, Gokai, yeah, it's Gokai, Gokai Twist Cobra, Emperor of Thunder Heyman, I'm sure that says it, yeah, Mystic Plasma Zone, Heaven King Sinner 2-0, I think that's what it says, Ring of Magnetism, Misfortune, Change of Heart, D-Spell, Twin-Headed Fire Dragon, Sword Hunter, Gladiator Beast Guy Zarus, Monster Reborn, the Dark Dragon with True Eyes, Pale Beast, might hear a train or something back there, Book of Secret Arts, Sogan, Compulsory Evacuation Device, Yami, Giant Rat, Ogre of the Black Shadow, Master and Expert, Tatsumi Giant, Destroyer Golem, Runei's Pendulum Dragon, Dark Hole, Dark Energy, Animal King Rehemoth, Dark Sword of Destruction, no, Sword of Dark Destruction, yeah, Ukazi, Remove Trap, Elementosaurus, the Agent of Entropy, Uranus, I think that's what it says, Reverse Trap, and lastly Remote Revenge. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is a review of my cards. I'm gonna do more reviews in the future. So, hope you guys like the video. Like always, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And I hope you enjoyed. And